Hey, Mano.
Hey,
Thanks for having us.
you're welcome.
What are we going to eat?
Well, it is Easter, which is a huge tradition here in Norway. So I was thinking slow roasted leg of lamb.
Let's go for it.
Come on.
Oh, such a beautiful house.
Thank you.
How would you define cheap?
I would say we are a cooking app educating and inspiring kids to cook and eat healthier and more sustainable.
Awesome. Why did you start your own company?
Well, I mean, as you can see, I'm a family man.
Oh, that's great. Hey.
And, I was honestly, we were sick of the whole situation around having your kids eating more healthy and more varied was a huge frustration and a lot of stress. So, finding a solution to that was really important. And we also realized we're not the only ones. So, yeah.
Yes. And what is what you like the most about your job?
I have to say the opportunity to impact the lives of families in general. That would be the
Yes. What are the main values that your company is built upon?
healthy, obviously. Uh, we have a lot of fun. And also the whole community vibe, I would say. I always love the term, it takes a village to raise a child. So, yeah.
Yes. Oh, you have someone there.
Yeah, that's my oldest. He's always helping me out.
Hi. How do you envision your company's mission impacting the next generation of chefs and home cooks?
Well, I mean, cooking in general is more than just nutrition, right? It's fun, it's inspiring, it's even therapeutic. So our goal is just to harness this interest and this overall joy of cooking to the new generation of kids coming along.
Yeah, then how do you ensure that your content and teaching methods are both fun and educational for kids?
Well, I mean, what we do is in addition to the whole EdTech platform, we add the secret ingredients, which is not that much of a secret anymore. The whole idea of influencers or these influential profiles, and also a little spice of gamification on top to secure the learning.
Ooh. And what did your startup stand out in the crowded food education space?
I think the biggest point is that our main focus is the kids. Everything we do is on their terms, basically.
That sounds very cool. I know. How do you balance the needs of your business with your desire to make, a positive impact on the world?
All of that, I mean, making an impact has always been in our DNA. So I would say that's sort of the easy part. And fortunately, there are a lot of like-minded people, both investors and partners, supporting this vision. So, obviously, it's a challenge, but
Can you share any exciting plans or projects that your company has in the works?
well, we did a really exciting acquisition just before last year. Um, and a lot of great content and a lot of great new features coming. So stay tuned.
Good. Okay, where do you see your startup, in 5, 10 years from now?
All right. Well, I mean, our goal is to become a global platform where we connect and inspire each other as a community, basically.
Yes, and well, how do you see the food education landscape evolving in the coming years?
Well, I think food education in general has been under prioritized for way too long. And I definitely think that we will see a shift with more research, more knowledge coming into this space. And I definitely feel that we are well positioned for this to come.
Okay, and now a secret. What is your favorite dish to cook and why?
Oh, I have to say risotto, probably. Uh, so many ways to make a risotto, and also there are so many fine details to making a great risotto.
Cool. How do you stay up to date with the latest food trends and techniques?
Chef's Table on Netflix is an amazing show.
Who love that one?
Um, but also Stanley Tucci's show where he, explores the Italian kitchen is also a great favorite of mine. But I guess also a lot of great food lovers in our company from all different places of the world. We talk about a lot of food. So yeah.
And now, do you have any message you would like to tell families?
Well, I would say relax. The aim is not perfection. And try to enjoy the moments.
That's a great one. How do you involve your own children in the creation of your content, for example?
Well, as you can see, my kids are usually involved in the kitchen as much as they can anyway. So I would say in everyday life. Yeah.
Yeah. What are some of your favorite family traditions or recipes that you enjoy cooking together?
Uh, a pizza is a favorite, obviously. Everything from making the dough to adding the toppings. Lasagna is really fun with all the different layers. Also, salads actually are really fun to make with kids. They really enjoy all the colors and all the taste that goes to a great salad.
Okay, and now, can you give us a sneaky peek of something that is coming soon in too?
Well, I would say keywords: no more waste food on your kitchen calendar or in your fridge.
Wow, that sounds great. And curiosity of yours, of course.
Well, not many people know this, but I actually owned and ran my own restaurant when I was 23 years old.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was definitely a learning experience.
Was it a good one?
Yeah, I would say absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much. I actually made one more question extra. Hope that's okay with you.
Of course.
And thank you so much for inviting us. And we will stay tuned.
You do that. Great having you.